Today, that city is our home. Arcadia.
This play lives in another world, in an alternate universe where there are no rules.
Space Girl is the story of Lyra, the first person ever born on the moon. It's written by Frances Koncan.
It's about what would happen if corporations ran and governed our planet.
Sort of the Star Wars journey. Frances adheres to it, she uses it, but she also plays with it in ways that are really unexpected and really fresh, and it feels really of the moment.
We may encounter very strange creatures. A scarecrow, a man made of tin, David Bowie in very tight pants.
Who should come see the show? Everyone, because it's fun. But I'd say the young, the hip, old, and anyone who thinks that the world is fucked, but it can be changed.
For me, the message of the show is to consider other people, that your own bubble is important, but what's beyond your bubble is equally and sometimes even maybe more important.
Go! Before the bottle opens up! Go!
We are creating that world through theater magic, and it's going to be heavily reliant on our sound, video, and lighting designs. I'm just so excited to see how it comes to life.
It's just the sequence of you walking around, Brynn, and Daina will be reading.
The show is engaging and exciting,
Intergalactic.
adventurous,
And hilarious.
If you're interested in actually having a show that you can talk about after seeing it, come see our show.
It's a space play. Everyone should come see it. It's so much fun.